there'll be a salute in the face of Chadwick Walton. No words need be said.
The wicket, strengthening wicket.
Sheldon Cottrell from Jamaica, Chadwick Walton from Jamaica, the catcher Marlon Samuels from Jamaica as well.
The new bowler is Mohamed Yusuf. He's only ever bowled one ball in ODI cricket. And he gets a wicket with the second one he's ever bowled in international cricket. Look at him, look at his face. He's totally overjoyed. And
it was a polite delivery, harmless delivery, made into a harmful one by the batsman, and fittingly the catch is taken by Inzamam ul Haq, who was playing his last one-day game for Pakistan. He couldn't believe it. He surprised himself big time.
Well, has that hit his toe? Yes, it has. Has that? Brilliant in-swing Yorker from Brett Lee. It's 113 for 5 now.
Be exercise, and he's a sergeant there. What are they doing at Lords here? Well, down you go. At 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 star jumps. Yeah, get some star jumps in. Burpees now. Salute.
Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Magnificent bumble.
We're in the army now.
Well, you can see what it means to them. Tremendous. Absolutely magnificent. There go the celebrations. It'll be a very happy.
Long away on the leg side. That'll be it. Now they are going to be into the final. Have a look at Grey Russ. He's got to start his heart. 1, 2, 3. Oh, he's going. He's going. Magnificent. What am I going to do here? I'm dead. Don't worry, because the hard start is coming. And I'm away. I'm away. Well done.
And taken, what a catch! That's a stunning catch! Sensational catch, he's celebrating!
He sets off now, he's on his way. The earth shook, what a catch! Oh, what a catch! The big man, he's off. And we get a dance as well.
Going to get that much more difficult, because Wayne is on the dance floor and he's cutting loose.
Good signal, Cottrell, he's tried his best. This is what Wayne Parnell had to say. I love it.
For Karachi. Pollard! Pollard! Yeah, last 2 balls, 2 maximums. Once he's hit that, it's sailed away. Power of the match. He still fighting. Press-ups. Galore. Believe it.
Over. Sammy down the ground, 4 runs. Raise your bat.
Style. The big man. Powerful shot
What a magnificent performance this is in his own
brings
backyard.
up his 50. Just 32 deliveries.
He's out in the middle at number 9. And that is emphatic. And there's another salute. They're giving it all, aren't they, the players here in the Hero CPL for 5s for Parnell.
Talk about attitude in that celebration. Wayne Parnell and the Tridents. How about this for a celebration? You miss, I hit.